Welcome back to Spy Garage.
For the American automaker, the projected 2026 Chevrolet Luxury Motorhome marks a major entry into the premium recreational vehicle market. It is anticipated that this car would redefine the expectations of discriminating passengers by fusing Chevrolet's long-standing technical expertise with a fresh focus on luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology integration. It is anticipated that the 2026 Chevrolet Luxury Motorhome's exterior would feature an elegant and aerodynamically efficient profile. The car will probably have streamlined lines, integrated lighting systems that use cutting-edge LED technology, and finely constructed body panels completed in high-end, multi-layer paint options, departing from more functional aesthetics. Large panoramic windows will be positioned thoughtfully to optimize natural light and give residents unhindered views of their surroundings. When stationary, the smoothly integrated slide-out parts will expand the interior living area and add to the overall feeling of space. Additionally, well-thought-out exterior storage spaces that are reachable with power-assisted mechanisms will provide plenty of room for luggage and recreational gear while preserving the car's elegant exterior aspect. The 2026 Chevrolet Luxury Motorhome's sturdy and painstakingly designed chassis, which is probably based on Chevrolet's heavy-duty truck platforms, will support its exquisite exterior and provide a steady, comfortable ride. It is expected that the powertrain will include a potent and effective engine, possibly a next-generation Duramax diesel, as well as a cutting-edge transmission system built for maximum fuel efficiency and smooth cruising. By reducing road noise and vibrations, advanced air suspension and electronically controlled damping will further enhance the driving experience. To improve occupant safety and driver confidence, cutting-edge safety features will be seamlessly integrated, including an extensive suite of driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. The 2026 Chevrolet Luxury Motorhome's inside is where the focus on luxury will be most noticeable. The living areas will radiate a sense of sophisticated elegance thanks to the use of high-end materials including soft leather furniture, handcrafted hardwood cabinetry, and quality solid surface counters. A well-appointed gourmet kitchen with cutting-edge appliances, a large master suite with a king-size bed, a cozy and adaptable living area with plush seating, and a carefully planned bathroom with upscale fixtures are just a few examples of the cleverly planned layout that will optimize comfort and functionality. A key component of the 2026 Chevrolet Luxury Motorhome experience will be technological integration. Navigation, entertainment, and car systems will all be easily controlled by a sophisticated infotainment system with big, high-resolution touchscreens. Residents will be able to remotely control the lighting, climate, and security features thanks to smart home integration capabilities. The needs of the contemporary traveler will be met by integrated wireless charging stations and high-speed internet connectivity. Additionally, cutting-edge monitoring systems will offer up-to-date information on vehicle performance and critical utilities, guaranteeing a convenient and safe trip. A discerning customer looking for a high-end recreational vehicle that blends Chevrolet's reputation for dependability and performance with an unparalleled degree of elegance and technical sophistication is likely to be drawn to the 2026 Chevrolet Elegance Motorhome. With the promise of a comfortable and elegant travel experience that enables residents to experience their destinations in unmatched style and ease, it marks a daring entry for the brand into a competitive market category.